Well, go on, my people. Hope you're doing great. Welcome to day 5 of trading the 10K challenge. This is the New York session. This is the AM session, New York AM session. As you can see there, it's around 10:58 New York time in the morning, AM. So yeah, now we're looking at the dollar index. I only did a top-down analysis from on the weekly and daily in the morning during London session. I didn't take any trades in the London session. I actually went out somewhere, and then I only came back now in the New York session. When the New York session opened, and I did miss. I don't want to lie, I did miss a few opportunities then there, but yeah. But now, just gonna go through what I see for the day so far and what directional bias I'll be looking at on specific trades. I might analyze Euro USD, Euro USD, NAS, and USD JPY. I think that's what I will be analyzing on this video. So this is the DXY. I already taken a trade though now in the New York session AM, which I'll go through that after I analyze this DXY. So I use the DXY to give me direction on the dollar, whether am I buying dollar for the day, am I selling dollar for the day. So that's what I use the DXY for, whether I want to see whether I'll be selling dollar or buying it. As you can see now, let's switch to the 1 hour. My PC is a bit slower. I don't know whether because I'm recording at the same time and all that or what, but yeah. So as you can see, there's a dollar index. During the Asian session, we did this consolidation manipulation. We're taking out this sell side here, took out the sell side, this day low, this day Asian low, we taken that out, and then we came down here. We haven't taken out this low here, this New York, this day New York session low, but yeah, we did take out this low here, and then we went back up. We have a CB here. There's a CB which has been respecting since Friday, and when you open to, it was respecting this CB here. And then as you can see here now, during our New York session, we dipped into that CB. Let me just open my analysis. As you can see, that there's a sell side, we're taking it out. There's the buy side. Here we have the CB. I'm still expecting it to actually go a little bit down, maybe come back to this BC here. Come back to this BC because this market structure shift. Market structure shift. Come back to this BC. Then we can go up to actually taking out this buy side liquidity. So that's what I'm expecting on the dollar index now during this New York session, just for it to go a little bit deeper into this CB here, then looking for higher prices to take out the buy side. So yeah, so with that, it made me want to actually trade the Euro USD. So that's the first trade that I actually took for the day. Took the Euro USD. I took a buy on the Euro USD. Yeah, my PC is slow. I'm not sure if I think it's the reason why it is slow because I'm recording, and my PC is really it's not. I don't have a faster gaming PC. I have an old PC. I took a buy on Euro USD. I was actually looking at this order block here. I was looking at this order block, and let me go down to the, here's one trade that I actually missed. Looking at the 15 minutes, I saw this sell. As soon as I came back home, the prices was actually playing in this CB, so I couldn't just come back and just start executing. And I needed to relax, find my ground, you know, see what's happening in the market. You know, I had to check the DXY if selling there was no, it's a good idea. But as you can see here, there's the market structure shift, you know. Oh, there's a market structure. I don't know why my PC is this low, but it is today. I just decided to just be this low today for no reason. So as you can see, we have this market structure shift. Here's a high, we went up to create the new high, came back down, and then went back up into the CB, and then we went all the way down into this H1 order block. This section is what we call this whole section, what happened here is what we call a bearish breaker. We call it a bearish breaker. So that's how we'll normally look for trades. That's one of the what I use to trade bearish breakers. So yeah, I missed that sell. If I took it, I will have my SL above these. I'll have my SL above this high here, you know, above this here, not here. Maybe I might here just for safety, just to have, you know, give the SL a little bit room, but I was gonna put it here and then target this H1 order block here that I have here. So for now, the reason why I bought it was because of that order block. As you can see, it has been failing to actually close below it, and then also sorry, moving to a higher time frame. We went up on a lower time frame. Sorry, actually going to a lower time frame. As you can see, we have that BC also here, and here's the BC. We have that BC. I traded this as a market structure shift. We came back. I actually took a buy here in this BC. That's why I actually bought, but as you can see, it actually dropped a little lower, you know, just to scare people off. But my SL, I had my SL all the way down to the low, so I had room for the SL. I put my SL all the way down here, you know. If it actually goes down there, no, I'm still safe, you know. I am still safe in the trade. So which, as you can see, just came, you know, here, and then now we actually going up. My TP is all the way to the buy side liquidity, which I'm actually hoping it gets there, but I'll be taking partials along the way. I might hold the whole thing and just break even, or I can just take partials depending on what's actually gonna happen, you know, in the next few minutes or hours. Then I'll determine whether I should take partials or just hold the whole thing. So that's one of the reasons why I took Euro USD buy. And as you can see, let me just go over to my, so yeah, this is the buy. As you can see, I took 0.10 times 3, you know. As you can see right now, currently we're running an 18 USD. The balance still the same way we left it on day 4 if you go back to the video. And yeah, this is where I took the buy. As you can see, this is where I took the buy, and as you can see, I took it in the, well, they might not be the same because it's a different broker, different price. So yeah, I might not be able to identify the order blocks and the BCs that I was seeing on the thingy. So yeah, that's the trade that I have right now. I only have that running. So yeah, so here we have NAS. As you can see, there's a daily, you know, there's a daily chart, and as you can see, you know, on the 2nd of August, we have this volume imbalance. We created this volume imbalance, which I'm actually hoping it actually goes back there in this coming month. you know, I'm expecting NAS to actually go close that volume imbalance. As you can see also here, we had this volume imbalance here, and then it went up, dipped into this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap. As you can see, it came down here, respected, and then went up to actually fill this volume imbalance here, and then dropped, and then as it goes, we created this volume imbalance, and then we went all the way down. As you can see also, we have that order block there, which it respected on that day, on the 14th. On the 14th of August was a Monday, and then it went up, you know. So on that day, it was respecting that order block, and then started falling, broke that order block, went below. As you can see here, we have the BC, you know, which did respect here at least the 75%, and that's when we made this prices going higher. Now we went all the way down, you know, closing it all. As you can see, it never closed below the order block, I mean the BC. We created inside the BC, so I'm also expecting NAS to actually create higher prices. And yeah, as you can see, today we've been bullish, and at the moment we're just retracing. It retraced half 50% of what happened. And as you can see also, this is the H4. That is actually this is actually a BC. Let me go to 15 minutes. I think it's a 15-minute CB. I'm sorry, it's a 15-minute CB, which also I could have sold from, you know, but I wasn't around to actually check that, you know, to be able to trade that. So as you can see, my PC is a little bit slower, guys. I'm not sure what could be the reason why. As you can see, we have that CB came back to, you know, closed in the CB. It might be, if you go to a lower time frame or maybe a higher time frame, it might be, that might be like H4. No, not really. But if you go to a lower time frame, it might have respected nicely on a fair value gap there. But I just used the 30 minutes fair value gap. As you can see, it did respect and then sell. If I was around to actually take this trade, I would have sold here, put my SL bid above this this high here, you know. So yeah, as you can see, it actually went down, and yeah, I'm actually still expecting it to respect this daily is it it's daily BC to actually shoot more up, you know. But if it actually breaks below this, you know, it might be looking for short-term sells. And yeah, but since it's a downtrend, it might still be looking for more lower prices, you know. It might, I don't know, you know, it might just keep going down, creating lower prices. So yeah, at the moment I'm just gonna monitor it and see what gives. At the moment I'm not gonna trade NAS. I just wanted to create more patterns. I just wanted to create more inefficiencies, breakaway structures. I wanted to respect more PD arrays for me to actually look into the trade, you know. So that's what I have on NAS. This is the USDJPY, the weekly. As you can see, at the moment it's in a daily order block there. I was actually hoping for it to actually, well, we opened here, and yeah, as you can see here, we created the, you know, we created the new week opening gap. Yeah, we created the new week opening gap. There's a new week opening gap there, and from opening now we're flying up. I was actually hoping for it to actually go deeper into this BC. You know, I was actually looking forward for price to actually go deeper into this BC before we can actually go up to the upside and take out this daily order block. So I was expecting it to actually respect the daily order block, come back into the BC, then we can actually move up to actually take out the buy side liquidity. But as you can see at the moment, just switching over to daily, as you can see, we have this we have this order block here. You know, extended it to this side. Price came here respecting the CB, and then respected to the CB, went back into the order block, went up. So I was expecting it for it to actually come back into the CB, this weekly CB, before it actually have higher prices, but now it respected this CB, you know, which respected this closest CB, which I actually did not pay attention to or see. So yeah, the price respected the CB. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, my PC is a bit slow today. I don't know what's the problem, but as you can see, we respected this BC, not CB. I might be saying a lot of errors out here, like just like the previous videos, but yeah, as you can see, it respected this BC, which started shooting up. I honestly did not see this daily BC. I'm only seeing it now. So yeah, as you can see, it respected that. Now we're looking for higher prices. So looking at the DXY, looking for higher prices. I don't know what's happening with the yen. I'm guessing we will be USD/JPY will be looking for higher prices. I don't know what's happening with the yen at the moment, so that's what we have for the day. And yeah, as you can see, the dollar index is still still playing in the same area that we left it. So from now on, I'm just gonna be updating you guys on the trades that I took for day 5. If I do actually take more trades today. If not, then this might be the last update. But if I do, I will be updating y'all on the, as you can see, also it's respecting that CB, so I'm hoping for lower prices from there, going down. Maybe it's respecting some PDRAs along the way, maybe to push higher. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Yes, so yeah, I'll be updating on y'all on how the trade went. And yeah, it's currently the next day in the morning, and I just let the Euro USD trade run overnight and just log my profits, just in case it came back. As you can see here, I took my buys here at the using this order block, this H1 order block, and also took it on this BC on a lower time frame. I think that was a 15-minute BC. Actually, this is where I was supposed to take my trade, on this BC, but I took it a bit earlier than that. As you can see, there's a 5-minute BC, but I took it earlier than that. I took it somewhere here, but this was also gonna be a nice entry, so it supported my buying position. And then I did have buys, and then it got here, and then I decided to also looking at this BC here that it respected. I logged profits way below this this order block here on the 5 minutes, and then I headed to sleep. And then yeah, it did actually trigger me out, then spiked down a little, and then actually went into my TP zone. Yeah, the setup was successful. Even though I logged profit and triggered me out, it's still I made profit on top of that, so that's great. At least I secured profits, I secured the trade, so yeah, as you can see, it did hit my TP level where I had my TP. So yeah, other than that, it was a successful trade. So yeah, that was it for day 5. So that's the only trade that I took on day 5. So I'll update y'all on day 6 how it goes, my trade, what trade I take. But before I do that, as you can see, took the buys there. Let me switch to a lower time frame. As you can see, let me just disable this. As you can see, that's where I took the buys, and then this is where the BC, the buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance. No, it's the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, or the other way around. Yeah, the BC. So as you can see, it went up. I did lock my profits just below this order block here, and then came back to trigger my SL, came back down here respecting this auto block here, and then went up to actually hit my TP level. So yeah, that's what I have for day 5. That's the only trade that I took. And then going over the results of that trade, as you can see, it closed at 20 USD, or just say 21.4 dollars, obviously counting the commission and swaps that they have. Made overall profit of 20 USD. As you can see, I took 3 trades, 0.10 lots, and then as you can see, they did hit SL as I locked profits. So yeah, that's what I have for day 5. I didn't really go much. It was a Monday. I didn't want to overtrade on a Monday, even though there was a lot of setups that I could have taken, but because I wasn't around on the chart, I just didn't want to force to take trades that I wasn't really monitoring, you know. So I just, took what I could. I just took this one because I felt comfortable taking this. So yeah. And also, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, help the channel grow. And also liking, guys. When you like this video, they're gonna, YouTube algorithm, they're gonna recommend it to other people to watch it, So make sure you also like, don't just subscribe. Make sure you like the video, and also turn on the notification bell just in case I upload. When I upload day 6, you get a notification that says I uploaded, so you stay updated with me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, whatever time you're watching this. Peace.